Okay, people, thank you for asking me how to download GitHub Desktop. Well, uh, I prepare my Windows version, virtualization, and well, on Google Chrome, I just type GitHub Desktop for Windows, and it showed me desktop.github.com. Okay, we will download it. We just wait for it. And then, well, it's very important for you to know your GitHub user and your password. So, if you haven't already make an account, you have to go to github.com and uh, sign up or register with to create an account and a password. Where, well, we have first to know that Git and GitHub are two different things. Git is the control version. It is in your local, so it's not the same as GitHub. GitHub is the server or the place where you upload your projects, your things. So they they are different things. Okay. Well, here you just sing up. In my case, I will singing, and well, it, it's done. Okay, singing with GitHub. Okay, you just type your user and password. Sorry, I don't remember my password. Oh, let me recover my password because I don't remember what it is. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Let me try again. Sorry, because I have several passwords in different accounts. That's why I have problems logging. Just let me get my password again. Okay. Okay, and Luis. Okay. Well, it will ask you to configure Git. So your name, your email, and continue. It will ask you to make better desktop functions. If you want, you just can check this. If you're not, it's okay. Okay, it says there is a problem. I don't know why, but well, this is the GitHub. This is syncing or sync with your GitHub. Here show you all your where you are collaborator or your personal projects. Okay, so that's the way you can sing in GitHub desktop software. Thank you for watching.